hurt your feelings, man. Bitch, I'm your dad.
So I wanted to make a quick video here for you guys. If any of you guys ever bought those LED tail lights off of eBay, of course this is the factory one here. One thing you'll notice with those is they will not have the actual keepers to actually keep it in there. So show you guys what I did here. So first thing you want to do, you want to get you some ABS plastic. As you can see, get that closer, you can see how thin that is. Nothing too thick, but something resilient enough to where it holds a little bit of pressure. You want to get you some JB Weld clear weld quick setting epoxy. You can get you some of that, and you're also going to need some little stands or something to be able to kind of hold it up while it's sitting there. But essentially, with these lights on eBay, there's nothing down here to keep the light in. So when the light's in place, all it does is flap around. And if you guys have bought a set of these, then you know. So factory lights, as you can see here, we have the little retainer tabs here and there. Flip that over. So essentially, we're just going to mirror that in a way. So as you can see, then I'll show you guys here what it looks like on the car in just a moment. All right, gang, so we back. So also another little tip, probably want to go ahead and strap that down too. The little resistors in there, but let's go ahead and get that in there. Show you guys how that works. So see, we got our little keepers there. We got them right in our spot. And then we just want to get that back there. And then we good to go. And then you don't have that little flap. Don't have it. And then we in there, baby. Alright, so just want to do one final little comparison there so you guys can get a good look at that. In case you're trying to do that at home. So get close up there. And remember, you will need these. So just a little quick recap. So something along that line. What this is this is an actual spacer for if you ever mounted TVs in a little bag that comes with the TV mount. That's what those are. So hope this helps you guys. Okay guys, so we'll go ahead and do a quick demo. May need to lower this garage door down a little bit. That's okay. Just so that you guys can get a good look at that. Let's kind of get out a little bit. Now, in case you're interested in these lights, there you go. There's your fix for you. No more loose lights, no more dangling around. See you guys in the next video. All right, we're gonna do one more. I'm gonna give you guys kind of a darker effect so that you can see there. And there you guys have it.
Bitch, I'm your dad. Dad, futuristic Nike zone. Bitch, I'm your dad.